You're really useless for now. You're right. I know that you're hurt and all of that, but come on. Do you have a cure? Hey, hop!
Take me to the Blue Mountains. That's the other side of sun. Heal. Save me.
Who?
Who? Hey, Rachel!
To a home? You were speaking a lot when you were a little boy. It changed. She had powers? Your mom? She didn't need water. She needed you away.
Geralt, I've been waiting for you.
She abandoned you? That's disturbing.
Save yourself.
No. Try! Don't kill her. I like her. Don't! They're not gonna sacrifice themselves. You're not ordering that. No, not her. Don't tell me that you did that. It was worse than what I thought. Is she not dead already? I don't want her to be dead, but I have trouble to have hope right now. Can't you help them, Jennifer? I mean, not the dead ones, but the ones who are still alive. If you are losing time to search for Tisaya, don't die!
We can still fight.
You're not gonna die, Jennifer.
Anymore. You have never stopped searching. It's here, with Nilfgaard, and in power and potential. That will be your legacy. Is anyone out there?
You? Still alive? That was unexpected. Mais qu'est-ce qui vous arrive à tous? It's already the night again? Are you the woman who is helping Siri? Oh! Show your face! Yes.
I want you to look at me. Do you know, Priscilla? What they do to a Witcher to improve his eyes. You don't get
It's
to
your
use
mouth?
that name. Vesemir, give me that name. I need to know why. No answer will give you what you want. It's time to sleep. You trusted Destiny.
You were not really there, okay.
I can't repay you for saving my life, but what I can offer you is the lure of surprise.
Again?
Just give me an hour and send you that paid.
No.
Sabrina needs your help. We all do.
Ah, she's not feeling well.
No man with Northern King.
She's gonna die, right? Because she's our mentor. You need your mentor to live, to be the leader, the new one.
You saved me. It's your turn to save these people, this continent. This is your legacy. How? I can't. You can.
You're like each other.
Get the bottle.
She said it at the beginning of all. Are you gonna stay alive to see that, Josiah?
Just because you fucked up doesn't mean we will.
So I never feel confident.
Do you actually have what it takes?
You're burning everything? You promised that already, you know, during that meeting. I'm shocked, not in a good way.
It's going to be okay, girl.
Hello, you.
I had everything I wanted. A roof over my head, a headstrong boy. His father to match, except a daughter.
Oh, that's a good cover. Are you gonna accept it? Can you accept it? Searching for her, both of you. You heard it? Yes, you can't accept. This is not her destiny. Don't steal another horse.
Are you alright?
We're okay.
Is that horse safe?
We're all okay. We gotta go.
You were so close.
In the woods nearby. She's your destiny.
No, fetch him an ale before he goes to sun.
Call for her. She's not really far away.
Where are you going?
Please meet. Come on. Destiny is calling you. Boss. You know it's him? You know it's her, but you? You know? That's so sweet.
People linked by destiny will always find each other.
Who is Yennefer?
Ah! It's the end. Okay. Remember my intro where I said that I was ready for them to destroy all of my series? In fact, they destroyed some of them and they confirmed some of them also. First one, the one about this season 1 being the prequel of the real adventure, the real journey, which is gonna begin when the princess and the Witcher are gonna meet, and that them meeting was gonna be at the end of this final episode of the season 1. That's it! Destiny was on my side. I was right about that. My theory about Yennefer becoming a villain character. Again, I know that you don't like when I'm using that word because you don't like me to put characters into box, but that's the easiest way to explain you what I think, you know. the fact that some characters can evolve and can go on the wrong side of the force. I'm not saying that they are bad people, that they were bad people, that they were meant to be bad people, and that I don't like them. I love a lot of villain characters because they are almost always the most well-written characters into shows, movies and books. But that's it. The evolution of Yennefer during this season let me think that maybe she was gonna become a villain character, she was gonna go on the wrong side of the force because of revenge, because of someone doing something bad to her. But no, I was wrong about that. At least for this season 1, I was totally wrong about that. Until the end, she did the right thing. Until the end, she tried to help people, to save people. Okay, at the end, she burnt everything and everyone, except for Tisaya. But she wanted to do good, to help. I'm saying also since the beginning that she's trying to do good, to do great, and that I was worried about the fact that she's sometimes doing bad stuff to get the right stuff at the end being done. And I'm worried about the fact that going in the extreme limits of that, little by little, at one moment, maybe she's gonna go too far. Maybe that was that moment, maybe she went too far right there. I can't really trust that, I can't really believe into that, because she saved them all. Okay, she burnt everyone and everything, but everyone on her side was already dead, you know, so for me she did a good thing right there again. Why not her not becoming a villain character? At least for sure not during this season. I didn't have my response about how Yennefer is gonna be connected to the princess also, to Ciri. I wanted to know that during this season, but no. The meeting between Geralt and Ciri was so pure. I don't know, I don't have another word to describe it. Yes, it was pure, you know, it was sweet, it was soft, it was like that. I don't know how to describe it in another way. And she heard him calling for Yennefer. Now that they are together, the real journey adventure can begin. I don't know what it's gonna be, but it can begin. He's gonna be there to protect her. I think that he's gonna be there also to be a mentor for her. Maybe teach her how to control her powers. I'm a little scared about that, because we know that for becoming a witcher or a witch or a mage or a sorcerer, whatever the name that you are calling them, you need to suffer, you need to sacrifice stuff, and I'm worried about that because it's a painful thing, you know, to go through something that can kill you. I don't think that it's gonna kill her, but I think that it's gonna be really hard for her. And right there, she just finds Geralt, and for her, Geralt is gonna be the one who is gonna protect her. So if he's also the one who is gonna make her suffer because of that, you know, because of this initiation, no. I don't think that, you know, all of Nilfgaard's army was destroyed just during that battle. That was just one battle, you know. We know the rule. We know that it's not because you win one battle that you win the war. So I'm not expecting them to be totally defeated for the next season. I'm expecting the White Flame to have other armies, other allies, other mages. Yennefer, what happened to her? I don't know. I really don't know. Right there, she let her chaos, her magic really explode. I hope that she's alright, you know. I think that it demands a lot of energy for sure, it demands a lot of magic for sure, but I have the impression that it demands also a lot of yourself. So that's why I'm worried about her. Now that she knows that she's about to do that, I'm worried about that. But again, I'm really ready for them to contradict me about Yennefer becoming a villain character, you know. Geralt and Yennefer, they are still, you know, thinking about the other one, they are still connected to each other. They love each other, for sure they love each other, but Yennefer, she doesn't want to be with Geralt because of the fact that she thinks that they're meant to be because of the wish of the Djinn wish. Geralt is not approving everything that she's doing, and again, I can't believe right now that they can be together because of the fact that they have strong characters and too much ego and too much pride for now to be together, but also, yes, because of the fact that they are not working in the same way. I'm thinking of a way that it can work, you know. The more I think about the two of them, the more I think that they can't be together, but the more I'm not accepting that, and I want them to be together no matter what, so I'm searching for a solution. Ciri can be that solution, maybe. Maybe she can help with her powers or with just what she is. Maybe she can be, you know, a goal for the two of them. She can be a path that the two of them can walk on. Maybe I'm going too far with the metaphoric thing. That was a great episode. For a final episode of a season, for a first season, that was great. We still have a lot of questions to answer, we still have a lot of things to discover. But you know, for me still, the episode 1 was not great. The more we are progressing, you know, into the season, and the more I was thinking that the episode 1 was really not reflecting what this season was and what the show is really. I'm not gonna change my opinion about the episode 1 now that I watched, you know, the whole season. I know that some of you are gonna be like, oh, but no, you have to rewatch all of the season to understand what the episode 1 was really and all of that. Guys, shows are not working like that. You can't tell to people, okay, you don't like the episode 1, but when you're gonna rewatch all of the season, it's gonna be your favorite one or something like that. No, it can't be the good way of writing a show. I don't know how to explain it in another way. For a new show, for a first season, you can't put that in your first episode. You know, that ambition, that thing about, okay, people are not gonna like it, but they're gonna understand it at the end of the season. No, some viewers are gonna be like, oh, I didn't like one episode, I'm not gonna have to watch 7 more episodes of 1 hour episodes. I'm not gonna lose 7 hours of my time just to understand why I didn't like the first episode. Do you understand what I mean? It's a lot to demand to new viewers. I'm not sure that a lot of new viewers who didn't read the books, who didn't play the games, after the first episode, they didn't give up on the show just because of the first episode, which was not great. I'm sorry to say it again, but it was not a great episode. It was not a great first episode for a first season of a new show. I don't know if you are following me with that, at least if you are understanding me with that. I know that some of you are gonna be like, oh, she's still speaking about the first episode, just stop thinking about it. But I'm still speaking about it because in the comments, in all of the episodes, you are still speaking about it to me. You're almost like, oh, now you like the show, but you didn't like the first episode, you're not a real fan. And I'm like, guys, you can't really just hear someone who is having like mixed feelings about one episode. That's annoying me because now that I love the show, you know, now that I watched all of the season, I want a season 2, I want more, you know, about the show. Now, you know, I'm annoyed because maybe some viewers gave up on the show because of the first episode, and maybe that's not gonna help the production and Netflix and all of that to continue the show for a long time. That's why I'm still annoyed by that. We'll see about that. I think that we're gonna have a season 2. I think that this season 1 worked well and we're gonna have a season 2 for sure, and I hope that it's gonna continue after that. Okay, that was a great journey, you know, with the show. maybe I'm gonna see you again for the season 2. If you want, you can go check the playlist on my channel to see if I'm already reacting to a show that you are loving and watching. Maybe you can still be with me for these shows, or I'm gonna see you for the season 2 of The Witcher. If it's the case, I'm sending you a kiss and I will see you, I don't know in how many months. If you know that, please tell me on the comments. So it's all for The Witcher, for the Light of Destiny for today and for this season 1. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Right.